3 tractors, 3 brands, 1 5-year ROI model that most dealers will never run for you because the numbers do not always favor the machine they are trying to sell. We pulled the real data: purchase price, fuel cost, repair access, dealer network, resale value, and ran every line the way a farm financial manager actually calculates it. The results on one of these 3 brands surprised even us. This is Farm Gear Pro. Stay through the resale section, because that is where the 5-year model changes most dramatically for all 3 machines. Let's get into it. Start with the baseline: what each machine actually costs to put in your shed before it turns a single wheel. The John Deere 8R410 in full specification lists north of $450,000 in the current US market. Precision agriculture packages, extended warranty, and dealer delivery push that number higher depending on configuration and dealer location. John Deere 8R410. North of $450,000 full specification. Precision AG packages push it higher. The Fendt 942 Vario in comparable specification lists between $480,000 and $520,000, the highest purchase price of the 3 brands in this comparison at equivalent horsepower and feature level. The Case IH Magnum 400 AFS Connect in full specification lists between $380,000 and $420,000. The lowest purchase price of the 3 brands in this comparison at comparable horsepower output. That purchase price spread runs from $380,000 on the low end for Case IH to $520,000 on the high end for Fendt. A $140,000 gap between cheapest and most expensive that defines the starting point for every other calculation in this model. Case IH Magnum 400, $380,000 to $420,000, lowest purchase price, $140,000 gap to Fendt high end, financed at current agricultural lending rates of 7.5 to 8.5% across a 5-year note. That $140,000 gap between Case IH and Fendt translates into roughly $28,000 to $32,000 in additional annual debt service on the Fendt. On a 3,000-acre operation, that annual debt service difference runs $9 to $11 per acre between the cheapest and most expensive machine in this comparison before a single field operation occurs. That per-acre capital cost spread is the foundation number every operator needs before any other variable enters the 5-year model. $9 to $11 per acre, annual capital cost spread. Case IH to Fendt, foundation of the 5-year model. Now the transmission comparison, because this is where the fuel cost line in the ROI model diverges most significantly across all 3 brands. The John Deere 8R410 runs the E23 PowerShift, 23 forward gears, electronically managed, a proven platform that has moved serious acreage across the Corn Belt for years at this horsepower level. The Case IH Magnum 400 AFS Connect runs the PowerShift transmission as standard, with the CVX drive continuously variable transmission available as an option that pushes the purchase price upward toward the John Deere range. John Deere 8R410, E23 PowerShift, Case IH Magnum 400, PowerShift standard, CVX drive CVT optional. The Fendt 942 Vario runs the Vario CVT as standard equipment. No optional upgrade required, no additional cost to access the continuously variable transmission that defines the platform. That transmission architecture difference creates the fuel cost gap that runs through the entire 5-year model. Documented field comparisons between CVT architecture and PowerShift transmissions under sustained heavy draft conditions, tillage, planting, heavy cultivation, show the CVT delivering 8 to 12% better fuel efficiency per hour at equivalent ground speed and load. CVT vs PowerShift. 8 to 12% fuel efficiency advantage, documented, sustained heavy draft conditions. On a 3,000-acre operation running 700 hours per season on a flagship tractor, that 8 to 12% efficiency gap translates into 420 to 630 additional gallons of diesel burned annually by the PowerShift-equipped machines versus the Fendt. At current Midwest diesel prices running $3.40 to $3.80 per gallon in 2026, that annual fuel difference runs $1,428 to $2,394 per season in favor of the Fendt over both PowerShift-equipped competitors. Across 5 years of ownership, that fuel cost advantage compounds to $7,140 to $11,170 in favor of the Fendt, a real number that begins closing the purchase price gap between the German machine and its two American competitors. 5-year fuel advantage. Fendt, $7,140 to $11,970 versus both PowerShift competitors. The Case IH Magnum with the optional CVX drive transmission closes this fuel gap significantly, but the CVX option pushes the Case IH purchase price into John Deere territory, reducing the capital cost advantage that makes Case IH attractive in the base comparison. Before we go further, if Farm Gear Pro is giving you the real ROI breakdown you have been looking for, hit subscribe right now. We run this kind of 5-year model every week. Real purchase prices, real fuel data, real repair cost estimates, no manufacturer writing the script. Hit like and share with any operator comparing these 3 brands right now. Back to the numbers. Now the repair access comparison. And this is the variable that changes the 5-year model most dramatically depending on which machine you are running. John Deere's Service Advisor diagnostic platform is dealer-gated on the 8R410. An independent mechanic with decades of diesel experience cannot fully service the machine's electronic systems without a dealer software license. John Deere Service Advisor. Dealer-gated, independent mechanic cannot fully service electronic systems. The Federal Trade Commission sued John Deere in January 2025 under the Sherman Act over this dealer-only diagnostic structure. A federal judge denied the motion to dismiss in June 2025, and a $99 million class action settlement in April 2026 committed Deere to expanded diagnostic access by end of 2026. The machines on dealer lots today still run the architecture that generated that lawsuit. The settlement promises future access, not current access on equipment purchased right now. That repair restriction translates directly into a cost line in the 5-year model. Dealer labor rates at $150 to $185 per hour, mandatory trip charges, and parts markup through the authorized channel on every software-dependent repair event. Dealer labor, $150 to $180 per hour, trip charges. Parts markup, every software-dependent repair on 8R410. 2 to 3 of those events per machine across a 5-year ownership cycle on the John Deere, a documented pattern in farmer complaint records and service histories, adds $8,000 to $18,000 in costs that independent repair access would avoid entirely. Case IH, operating under CNH Industrial, has publicly committed to expanding diagnostic access for farmers and independent shops across its lineup as part of corporate right-to-repair commitments made through 2023 and 2024. These commitments are in active rollout, meaning a Case IH Magnum purchased today is transitioning toward more open repair access, not sitting on a pending lawsuit settlement the way the John Deere is. Case IH, CNH Industrial, diagnostic access commitments, active rollout, transitioning, now not waiting. That difference in trajectory matters for the 5-year model. A machine moving toward independent access has a different projected repair cost curve than one waiting on a court-mandated implementation deadline. Fendt, operating under AGCO, built its diagnostic architecture around the EU's binding right-to-repair directive adopted in 2024, which requires manufacturers to provide owners with tools, software access, and repair documentation. Because Fendt's diagnostic system was designed around open access before that directive became legally compulsory, an independent shop working on a Fendt 942 Vario has more repair authorization latitude today than the equivalent shop working on a John Deere 8R410. Fendt diagnostic architecture, built around EU Right-to-Repair Directive 2024. Open access already in place. Across the 5-year repair cost model, Fendt and Case IH both project lower dealer-mandated repair exposure than John Deere, with Fendt carrying the most established open access position of the 3 brands in 2026. Now the dealer network comparison, because dealer proximity is the one variable that can override every other calculation for a specific operation in a specific county. John Deere carries the largest dealer footprint in American agriculture by a significant margin over both competitors combined. Most large row crop operations in the Corn Belt, Great Plains, and Northern Plains sit within 30 to 45 minutes of a John Deere dealer. John Deere, largest dealer footprint, most operations within 30 to 45 minutes, Corn Belt and Great Plains. Case IH maintains solid dealer density across the same core row crop regions through CNH Industrial's combined network. In many Midwest counties, the Case IH dealer is the second closest equipment dealer behind John Deere and ahead of any European brand. Fendt's dealer network has been expanding across the upper Midwest and Northern Plains through AGCO's committed infrastructure investment. But in many rural counties, the nearest Fendt dealer remains a longer drive than either Case IH or John Deere. That distance matters most during a critical harvest or planting breakdown, where downtime cost per hour exceeds the annual savings from repair access differences on the competing platform. Fendt Dealer Network. Longer drive in many rural counties. Distance matters most during critical breakdown. An operator whose nearest Fendt dealer is 90 minutes away needs to factor that distance into the 5-year model against the fuel efficiency and repair access advantages the Fendt carries. Now the resale comparison, because this is where the 5-year ROI model either confirms or reverses what the purchase price and operating cost analysis suggested. Used Fendt 942. Vario units have been holding resale value consistently through 2025 and into 2026 at major auction houses, including Sullivan Auctioneers and Steffi's Group, showing stronger relative resale than comparable John Deere or Case IH units at equivalent working hours. Used Fendt 942 Vario. Strong resale 2025 and 2026, Sullivan Auctioneers, Steffi's Group, stronger than competitors. A 2026 Fendt 942 Vario, purchased at $500,000, is projected to trade in the $340,000 to $370,000 range at 5 years with moderate working hours, representing $130,000 to $160,000 in 5-year depreciation. A 2026 John Deere 8R410 purchased at $455,000 is showing softening resale trends on late model units at Ritchie Brothers and BigIron across Iowa, Illinois, and Nebraska, projected in the $280,000 to $310,000 range at comparable 5-year hours based on current auction trajectory. It projects $145,000 to $175,000 in 5-year depreciation on the John Deere, a worse depreciation outcome than the Fendt despite the John Deere's lower original purchase price. John Deere 8R410, softening resale, $280,000 to $310,000 at 5 years, $145,000 to $175,000 depreciation. The case. IH Magnum 400 resale sits in a stable middle position, projected in the $240,000 to $265,000 range at 5 years based on current CNH auction data, representing $140,000 to $155,000 in depreciation from the base purchase price. Case IH Magnum 400, stable resale, $240,000 to $265,000 at 5 years, $140,000 to $155,000 depreciation. Now stack the complete 5-year model, all variables together, the way a farm financial manager actually runs it before signing a purchase agreement. John Deere 8R410, purchase price $455,000. 5-year depreciation $145,000 to $175,000. Annual fuel cost disadvantage versus Fendt $1,428 to $2,394. 5-year repair risk exposure from dealer-gated diagnostics $8,000 to $18,000. Dealer network advantage, strongest of 3 brands. John Deere 8R410, 5-year total. Depreciation plus fuel disadvantage plus repair exposure minus dealer advantage. Case IH Magnum 400, purchase price $395,000. 5-year depreciation $140,000 to $155,000. Annual fuel cost disadvantage versus Fendt on PowerShift $1,428 to $2,394. Repair exposure lower than John Deere through CNH active rollout. Dealer network strong, second of 3 brands. Invent 942 Vario, purchase price $500,000. 5-year depreciation $130,000 to $160,000. Fuel cost advantage $1,740 to $11,970 across 5 years. Lowest repair exposure of 3 brands. Dealer network thinnest, third of 3 brands with known rural county gaps. Fendt 942 Vario, 5-year total, highest purchase price, lowest depreciation, best fuel and repair position. Run the effective 5-year cost, purchase price plus depreciation, plus fuel cost, plus repair exposure, minus residual value, and the Fendt 942 Vario produces the lowest total cost of ownership of the 3 brands for operations running 700+ hours per season with a Fendt dealer within reasonable distance. The Case IH Magnum 400 produces the best 5-year ROI for operations prioritizing lower upfront capital outlay, strong dealer proximity, and improving repair access trajectory, particularly for operators in regions where the Case IH dealer network is the strongest of the 3 alternatives. The John Deere 8R410 produces the strongest 5-year ROI specifically for operations where dealer proximity is the overriding factor, where the John Deere dealer being 12 miles away versus a competitor being 60 miles away has a hard dollar value that outweighs the fuel, depreciation, and repair access disadvantages documented above. Case IH wins for capital efficiency. Fendt wins for total cost at high hours. John Deere wins for dealer proximity. None of these 3 answers is universal. The right machine for your operation is the one that scores best on your specific version of this model, with your own hours, your own county's dealer proximity, and your own financing rate. Farm Gear Pro is going to keep running these 5-year models every season because the machine that looks right on a showroom floor and the machine that actually protects your ROI across 5 years of hard use are not always the same piece of iron. Thanks for watching Farm Gear Pro. If you found this breakdown valuable, share it with a fellow farmer and comment below your thoughts on this topic. See you in the next one.